Yeah, so right now we're in electric mode. So it's not really that fast right now. I only have 5 miles electric. I suck at home charging. So I like the feature that's going on too. Like the seats hug you as you ride, and if you make a turn, they kind of tighten up on you. It's pretty dope. Go for a ride. We're in electric mode right now. This electric mode is not really that fast. It's kind of to with everything. I mean, maybe fast to others and slow to me. I don't know. Yeah, so here's the electric mode. Yeah, it's cool. It's not really fast. But when you get into the gas mode and electric mode, it automatically turns itself into gas mode, which is comfort. And comfort mode it's all right. It's all right. So make a turn right here on Torrey Pines. This comfort mode it's okay. Now, personally, it's cool, but to me, I like sports mode. Battery hold mode, electric mode, sports mode. Then, that's kind of you can hear those turbos working. That's a good sound. You can also, it has a feature where you can change how loud the car is. Like this right here, I can kind of tone it down, don't have the loud exhaust, or I can make it sound aggressive to give me that full aggressive mode I'm looking for. Also, the traction control button, you know what I'm saying, turns the traction off, but also like any other car, you hold that traction control button for a couple seconds, and yeah. You get to turn the car really on. It also has this other sports features on here, you know what I'm saying, as you drive it. You know what I'm saying, so you know, you get kind of like a drag racing mode where you can measure, see how fast you're really going. Now in this regular sports mode, you might want to hold on because it gets crazy. Whoa. Nice pull right there. And that was light. It's light. Yeah, this thing gets down. The crazy thing is, I probably have the fastest S-Class in the city. But yeah, lights and going on in the car, it's probably the best S-Class on the market and the fastest S-Class in the city. Yeah, it also has a nice lighting up here. I'm kind of running through the whole thing because I'm giving a real review, not that sugar-coated stuff y'all see when they get on there and people try to, no, listen, this is what daily driving, this is what it looks like, this is what it feels like, here's what it is. Average person paying a car note on an expensive-ass car. Love all the features. This car feature right here, you could do a lot of features. You can actually, features we can do, you can even lock the trunk, tow away zones, lower the headrest, so many other features. The parking assist, you can put it in car wash mode, you can raise the car. This car is the best S-Class, best Mercedes on the market, and I have the best one. So anybody with an S63 wants some work, come and get it. So, also as you see with this car, the ride is like 10 out of 10. Like, no one can tell you it's a better ride than the AMG S-Class, flat out. This car rides the best. When I drove it to California and I also drove it to Arizona, the car was just feels like you just gliding. And it feels like you get there a lot faster than normal, because when this car does 100, it really feels like it's doing 50. So it's gonna do a nice little soft pull right here. Make sure no cops around. Oh, yes, this thing is seeing sticks. As you can see, this car fucking rides. It rides, it rips. It's fast, very fast. Traction control off, roller. Make some turns here, very cool. You don't get much cars that ride like this. By far. Nasty. Get you one. If you get an S580, get an S580. But if you got a chance of getting an S63, go for it. And the phone, this car do like stealing your phones. So make sure you put your phone up or something. But yeah, we got a couple performance modes. Tell you to drive the engine flow, vehicle. It tells you horsepower. It's like seven horsepower right now. We're gonna do a pull to see how much horsepower it gives to. It's your real review, baby. No sugarcoating. If you're looking for a barber, I'm Cuban, I'm in Las Vegas. So come down, please. More haircuts help me pay for this car. And right now you see it says it's about 100 horsepower. Woo! I was only a 600. It only made like 630 horsepower on that pool. 630. We know a lot of cars that don't even come close to having that much horsepower. Go down the street. Hitting that 800. I haven't got a chance yet. This is my first time going through this part of the review. So. It's like it's capping out. We want more. They say it makes 800 horsepower and 1,000 torque. I'm actually getting with some guys with a dyno to kind of see where it's going. So eventually, once I get past the warranty mode, I'm gonna do the tune on it and drive it like a stolen. Try to get it to make 1,000 horsepower, probably about like 1,300 torque. Has features, tells you the cooling of the car. They ain't really giving us that 1,000 horsepower. I mean, 800 horsepower, 1,000 torque thing is saying 600 here. Maybe it's different. Who knows? I'm gonna see if I can give me a victim at the light. Hopefully I'll get another one of those tickets. So, horsepower right now. That's another side street I'm gonna take. So I can let it ride. So, definitely got the little phone features as we run through here. You can call and do all that. But we like this. We want to see some more work. We want to see, hey, on review, like, let's see if that car is fast. If you want something, get something. You can also share your journey, where you're going. You can also, you know, gas stations, everything alternative. Like, we're far away from my house, I'll tell you that. And what a great ride on the street. Alrighty. It's one hell of a get down. Let's see what we did so far. 0 to 60 in 4 seconds. That's pretty good. For a car this big, to do 0 to 60 in 4 seconds is amazing. 0 to 60 in 4 seconds. Temperature outside, my reaction time, of course it sucks because I was waiting on the light, but that's pretty much it with the S-Class. Anything else y'all want to see, like and subscribe, tell me what y'all think, and shout out to T's Visuals for making all this happen.